Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Walmart haul to share and it consists mostly of household items, but I do want to throw this shirt in really quickly. It's just a plain, it's kind of like a cross between a blue and a gray. They're $3.98 and I got this to go underneath a button-up Shein shirt that I got Connor for school, so I'm going to just insert a picture of that. Also, if anybody's interested, soon I will be doing a full-blown back-to-school haul, if anyone's interested, so stay tuned. These shirts are really soft and he has them in a couple other colors too, and I just think, you know, for the price, you can't beat that. I also picked up a large bag, 14-pound of Gravy Train dog food. 2 bags of treats for Oscar. So from the Canine Carryouts, these are actually $1.24 at Walmart. Bacon and cheese flavor. These are little bacon strips. And then the chicken flavor strips. I also picked up an 18 count of the Angel Soft Mega Rolls. I did pick up today one of the Ultra Palmolive Ultra Strength. This is the 56 fluid ounce, and I believe this was, first, the dog food was, I believe, $12 for 14 pounds. Toilet paper that I just mentioned was $12 for 18 rolls of Angel Soft, for those of you wondering prices. And this was $7, right at $7 for this massive bottle. And the last time I bought dish soap was in April, and I had a 70 fluid ounce one of these, and I still have one more time I can fill up my container, so I'm going to continue to purchase it like this. It does have a pop top to open and close, so you can refill or you can use it straight out of the bottle. And always the Parent Choice wipes. These are the fresh scent. I like the scent of these. 240 count wipes for, I believe these were $5.70, or no, these were $5.50. And just a few more things. I got one of these Equate Menstrual Complete. It does cramps, bloating, fatigue, backache, and headache. This was $2.87. You get 40 in here. I actually thought you only got like 30 something, but this is a 40 count. And it's comparable to the Midol. And then my favorite shampoo right now is the VO5 Kiwi Lime Squeeze. I've been purchasing this for a few months. I really love the scent. And this is a 98 cents at Walmart, so 27 cents cheaper than Dollar Tree. It's 15 fluid ounces, and I got the shampoo and I got the conditioner. And then I picked up an extra conditioner in the Ocean Refresh scent for shaving. I like to shave using conditioner. It gives a much closer shave. It's super moisturizing, and I like it way more than using shaving creams and stuff. So yeah, that is all today for my Walmart haul. This is a part of like a stock up. Stay tuned for the back to school haul, which is going to have tons of stuff that I've compiled, and just going to do a collective haul with all of those items. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Walmart links. Thanks so much for watching.